In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Minimax AI free trial. If you've been curious about Minimax and want to try its text, video, and speech models without committing to a paid plan, this walkthrough will get you started quickly and confidently. First, head to the official Minimax website or open the official app. Make sure you're on the real homepage by checking the address bar for a secure connection and avoiding lookalike sites. Using a trusted browser and going directly from a bookmark or a known search result can help you land on the correct page. Once you're there, look for a clear option to get started or create an account. Next, sign up with your email to create your account. You'll be prompted to enter basic details and agree to the terms. Keep things simple and accurate, and remember that a strong, unique password is always a good idea for any AI platform. You typically won't need to enter a credit card to start the trial, which makes this a low-risk way to explore. If you see any on-screen prompts during sign-up, just follow them until you reach your new dashboard. After you're registered and logged in, the free trial access should activate automatically. You'll usually notice a banner, a badge on your profile, or a notification confirming that the trial has started. If you don't see it right away, give the page a quick refresh and check your account or usage area for a trial indicator. The trial may be time-limited or credit-based, so it's helpful to note what you have available. During the trial period, you'll have access to the platform's core models and tools. This is your chance to explore how Minimax handles tasks like drafting content, generating or transforming video, and working with speech features such as transcription or text-to-speech. Start with a few real examples you care about so you can assess quality and speed. Keep an eye on any usage counters or trial meters so you know how much you have left, and consider saving outputs you want to reference later. If documentation or tutorials are available in the interface, they can help you learn best practices quickly and make the most of your trial. And that's it. Visit the official site or app, create your account with your email, and once you're logged in, your free trial should be ready to use. No payment is typically required to begin, and you'll get a realistic feel for Minimax before deciding whether to subscribe. Enjoy exploring and make the most of your trial window.